Hi, welcome to an Inventor 2024 video tutorial. It's another one of the basic part design exercises, the joint 1. You could do this in many ways, and I want to show you, I think, a more efficient way. Let's take a look at the drawing. So here it is, and I've mentioned it already. It's a very basic and quite simple exercise. But let's have fun with Inventor. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the XY plane. This will be a rectangle, and it should be 56 by 118. Now make it symmetric with that constraint between the origin and the midpoint of that line. Finish that sketch. Let's make a symmetric extrude, and this should be 60. Now don't use 2 fillets, but just 1 full round fillet. Plus, and this face, that face, and this face. And we got our base body. Now another sketch on that should be the YZ plane. This one here. Cut the graphics. Make a circle, make it 16 diameter, and this should be, in this case, horizontal aligned. Please note those sketch axes are swapped, and the distance should be 30. Finish that sketch, make another symmetric extrude, again 60 millimeter. Now let's go for the hole. So it should be through all, diameter should be 30. Select the face, select that edge as reference, so it's centered. Go for a plus. Now the diameter should be 32. Again, select the face, select that circular edge as reference, and it's centered, and okay, and I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would really help. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.